So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find apartments for rent here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to make sure that the rents tab right here is selected. Type in your location. I'll use Scottsdale for this example and then press on search. Now, if you're looking for apartments in specific, I want you to go to where it says home type right here and make sure that apartments is selected. Once that is done, just go ahead and press on done right here. You can also go to filters right here. Just scroll down, and where it says home type, you can do the exact same thing. And then once again, just go ahead and press on search. But yeah, very simple, very straightforward. This is how you guys can find apartments for rent here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.